on this one. Didn't even know it was on there. Oh, big size bass. Oh, silver perch. He's a beauty. Grab my gloves and put my gloves on. Because I'm on N.S.W. I'd finish if I get striked and it'll bleed like anything. A beauty silver perch. It's a good size. He's a real good one. He's a ripper. Look at that. He's blind in one eye. It looks like he's blind in both eyes. By the looks of it. He's a good size. Get the hook out. So I can. No, might better get the hook out in. A pearl. Nice and fat too. Don't worry, keep him or let him go. What do you people reckon? I reckon I'm going to let him go. I'll show you. I don't go much on silver perch, so I'll let him go. Go, mate. You can't see. He's blind as a bat. He's not going to survive. See his eye there? He's blind to both eyes. Don't know why that is. But he end up going to die, but he won't be able to see to eat. He's pretty healthy, but very solid. Let him go. He survived this long.